Do you have a hard time getting copyright-free music for your YouTube videos? Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you where to get copyright-free music. So let's get started. Just follow the red arrow. The first step is to click on your profile. Next, click on your YouTube studio. Wait for it to load. Next, scroll down and click on the audio library. So in the YouTube audio library, you'll get a lot of free music you can use for your YouTube videos without any copyright strike. About 2,000 plus songs. So you can click here and sort the songs by genre, mood, artist name, duration, attribution not required, and attribution required. You can also sort by the track title as well. So let's click on the genre. There's ambient, cinematic, classical, country and folk, dance and electronic, holiday, and so on. So you can select any of them and apply. So let's select classical and apply. So these are all the classical music. Let's click here again. Next, let's sort by mood as well. So here there's angry, bright, calm, dark, dramatic, happy, inspirational, and so on. Let's go for the bright. Click on apply. Next, let's click on the play icon to play any of the music. So this is the song playing down here. So next, you can either click here or there to download the song onto your laptop or phone. Let's pause the song and click here again. Next, we'll sort by attribution not required and attribution required. So with attribution not required, here it says YouTube audio license. You can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. Let's click here to view the details. So let's close it and click attribution required. With that, it says Creative Commons attribution. You can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. However, you must include attribution in your video description. So you can view the details here and copy this as well. So here you can also click on the sound effects. There are a lot of sound effects you can choose from. So you can click here to play and here to download as well. So we can also sort by duration. Let's say music that's longer than 2 minutes. All these songs are longer than 2 minutes. You can also sort by the artist name. So guys, can you see that there are lots of copyright-free music to choose from when creating your YouTube videos? If you enjoyed this video, then check out the content creation playlist next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might need this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.